Hi guys, on this video I will be showing you how to sew a button-up shirt. So in this video we are going to be learning particularly a way to sew a button-up shirt. So let's continue. First of all, in this video, this is our back piece. We are going to be using this back piece to cut our yoke. This is it. This is our yoke under. You place it properly. You see, you make sure that it is placed properly, then you cut it out. This is it. This is our back piece. Here is our back piece. Then this is our yoke. After sewing it, you are going to attach it just like this, just as I placed it like this. Yes. Okay. Hope you understand what I mean, but as we go on, you understand. This is our back yoke. Before attaching it, we are going to sew it this way, just as I'm demonstrating it this way. We are going to sew it. Then this is it after the sewing. This is it. Then this is our front piece. You know, the button shirt, you see, this is our 2.5 inch for the button in front. This is it. You fold the ½ inch, then you fold the 1 inch together, making it 2.5. You see, so here. Then this is the second one. We are going to sew here too. Yeah, this is it after sewing the first piece, the first front piece. Cut here out. This is the second front piece. You know how a shirt used to appear. This is it. This is it. And this is our back piece. You're going to sew here like this. You place the two pieces, then you sew. This is it after sewing, but the sewing is going to be at the front, like at the right side of the clothes. That is where you are going to sew. Then this is it after sewing. This is it after sewing. You're going to sew the front. You're going to join the shoulder on the front, if you understand what I mean, if that makes sense. Then you now place the back yoke in the front this way, because our sewing is on the front. So you're going to place the yoke at the front. Then you use your pin to pin it. You go to your machine, then you stitch it down. You see, you stitch down. After the sewing, it will be like this. The yoke will turn at the back. This is it. Okay, this is it after the attachment. You see, the joining at the shoulder is no more visible again after attaching the yoke at the right side. Okay, this is our shirt after attaching the two shoulders. Then you hold it this way. You see, you just hold it this way to measure. We are going to measure to determine, that is, if you want to cut your don't measure it this way in this video. Don't measure it that way. You're going to hold it this way to measure in order to cut your collar. I'm just demonstrating it for demonstrating sake, because in this video I'm just showing you how to sew and attach everything to form your shirt. So after measuring, mine is 9.5, and this is our collar. If you want to learn how to cut this kind of collar, it is just check my description box, it's there. Just check my channel, you'll see it there. It's very, very easy, it's not that hard. I just made everything easy for you to understand. So you use your pen to rule it out this way. This line that I'm ruling out is where I'm going to sew to join the collar to the shirt. Then you determine the middle of the collar where you are going to attach the collar to the shirt. Yes, this is my middle. And then this is our shirt. On the shirt, I'm going to be determining the middle too. You see, I'm going to determine the middle of the shirt where I'm going to be attaching the collar to it. Here is the middle where I will attach the collar, and this is our collar. The middle of the collar to the middle of the shirt. Then you now, after you determine the middle of the collar, and you use your pin to pin the collar to the shirt. That is to pin the middle of the collar to the middle of the shirt. And you make sure that you determine that middle. Is very, very important, so that your collar will not be. Just make sure you determine the middle and place it properly. Then you pin it. You see, I've pinned it already. I will go to my machine and sew. You see the collar after sewing. You see the way the collar is looking after attaching it to the shirt. This is it after attaching it to the shirt. You see the way it is looking. You see our collar. You see after attaching it, look at the way. Okay, then after that you are going to determine, you are going to attach your sleeve. To attach the sleeve, that shoulder, where that place where I join my shoulder, is not where I'm going to attach the sleeve. If you want to learn how to cut this shirt, just check my channel, it is there. You have already notched the sleeve, so you're going to place that place that you notch to the shirt. Then you go to your machine to sew. You see the knots, I'm telling you. See the knots. You place it properly. You make sure that you place the knots on the shirt. So then you continue your sewing. You continue your sewing to attach the sleeve, if that makes sense. Okay. Okay. Then you turn the other side, because we are sewing from the shoulder to the armhole. Here too, you are going to turn the other side to sew from the notch to the armhole, if that makes sense. This is it. Okay. This is very simple. Just attach the sleeve. Just calm down and attach the sleeve. You see. Then you now stitch. You top stitch on the shoulder, on the shoulder joining, you top stitch. You see the way I'm top stitching. Then I will now stop here on the joint between the sleeve to the armhole. Then you top stitch the sleeve too. You top stitch the sleeve, or you top stitch on the sleeve. Yes, okay. This is it after top stitching. You see how it looks. This is it. This is the top stitch on the shoulder and on the sleeve too. This is it. Very nice. Then you measure your opening. You have already known your opening on the sleeve opening. Then you place your, you continue your stitching to join the side, to join the two sides of the shirt. You see. Maybe you are on this video, I'm using a 1 inch to join the both side of the shirt. So this is it. I will sew with 1 inch from the sleeve to the end. You see. Then this is our final shirt. This is it. Very, very nice. You see the way our shirt is looking nice. You see our shirt. Our final look of the shirts. This is our collar, and this is our back stitch, our yoke that we attached. This is it. Thanks.